Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best upgrades you can get for your PlayStation 4. If you're looking to expand your storage without compromising on performance, this might just be the perfect solution for you. I'm talking about the OWC 1.0 TB external hard drive upgrade. Let's get into why this is such a game changer for PS4 enthusiasts. The OWC 1.0 TB external hard drive is designed specifically for the PlayStation 4, including the PS4 Slim and PS4 Pro models. It offers a substantial storage boost, which is crucial considering the large game sizes and updates these days. Priced competitively at around $68, it's an investment that ensures you won't be running out of space anytime soon. Now, let's talk specs. This external hard drive boasts a capacity of 1.0 terabytes, which translates to 1024 gigabytes of storage. Whether you're into gaming, media storage, or even using it as a backup solution, this capacity is more than ample. It uses a USB 3.0 interface for high-speed data transfer, ensuring smooth gameplay and quick access to your files. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to get set up. The OWC external hard drive itself. A high-quality USB 3.0 cable for fast connectivity, an express installation guide for easy setup, and a sleek carrying sleeve to keep your drive protected on the go. OWC really covers all the bases here. Performance-wise, this drive is a champ. It's compatible with all versions of the PlayStation 4, so whether you have the original, Slim, or Pro model, you're good to go. The installation process is straightforward. Simply plug it in, follow a few easy steps, and you're set. No need to worry about technical hurdles. However, one potential drawback is that it's a mechanical hard drive, so it might not be as fast as a solid-state drive. But considering the price point and the sheer storage capacity you get, this is a minor trade-off for most users. Compared to other external drives on the market, the OWC 1.0 TB stands out for its tailored compatibility with the PlayStation 4 ecosystem. While there are SSD options that offer faster speeds, they often come at a higher price per gigabyte. For gamers who prioritize storage space and budget-friendly options, this OWC drive is hard to beat. To sum it up, if you're looking to expand your PlayStation 4 storage without breaking the bank, the OWC 1.0 TB external hard drive upgrade is an excellent choice. It's reliable, easy to use, and provides ample space for all your gaming needs. I hope you found this review helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.